Okay. So yesterday what were we doing? Fractions, right? What were we doing? Fractions. Where is your book and copy? You came here to just sit and look at my face? No, right? Open your copy and book. Start writing.
स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाई क्या?
हाँ?
स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाई क्या?
The screen sharing.
अगर एक बार करना स्टॉप करके आगे करना। स्टॉप करके एक बार शेयर और कर कीजिए। दूसरा इसको पूछिए तो हाँ पूछिए
Everyone sitting at home, can you see the screen? Yeah, can you see the screen? Okay, just a minute. First of all, everyone sitting at home, can you see the screen? Everyone sitting at home, can you see the screen? Everyone sitting at home, can you see the screen? Can you hear my voice properly? Okay. We are about to begin now. Okay. And everyone can ask their doubts at the end of the class, okay? Everyone can ask their doubts at the end of the class during the doubt session. Remember to ask your doubt, okay? You have the doubt? What happened? Why did you shift to the back?
Sir, something is bad.
What?
Not everything is like government is
Is it here? Why are you sitting there?
there are just bad.
Okay then, we'll begin with the fractions now. Yesterday after what we did? Yesterday we did addition of fractions. Then? Did you do subtraction? No. So today let us look at subtraction of fractions. Okay, chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, page number 19. Chapter number 3, page number 19. Let us look at subtraction of fractions. So, suppose you have two fractions, 3/4 and 1/3. And if I ask you find the value of 3/4 minus 1/3, I'm asking you to subtract 1/3 from 3/4, isn't it? So how do we do this? First take the LCM of the denominators, 4 and 3. What is the LCM of 4 and 3? 12. LCM of 4 and 3? 12, isn't it? 12. Then 12 divided by 4 gives you 3, isn't it? So 3 into 3? 9. Again 12 divided by 3 gives you?
4.
12 divided by 3 gives you 4. So 4 into 1. 4 into 1 will give you 4. Minus 4. Okay. Minus here. Minus 4 into 1. 4. So 5 by 12. What is 9 minus 4? 5 by 12. So always remember to check for one thing after finding your value. Check whether you can further reduce it to the smallest form or not, isn't it? Next what? And if you have suppose something like this, always first convert your mixed fraction to improper fraction. How to do that? 9 into 3 plus 1, isn't it? 9 into 3 plus 1, that will give you 28 by 3. 28 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Then again take LCM of 3 into 6, isn't it? And then 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into 28? 56. 6 divided by 2 will be 3. 3 into 1? 3. So it will be 53 by 6, isn't it? Next, what about multiplication of fractions? Can I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
What about multiplication of fractions? What? For example, 1 2 by 3 into 2 3 by say 4. Okay. So how to do this? How to multiply? First convert your mixed fraction to improper, isn't it? First convert mixed to improper. It will become 3 into 1 plus 2, 5 by 3 into this one also 4 into 2 plus 3, 4 into 2 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11. Exactly. So then you will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator, isn't it? 55 by 12. Can you reduce it further? No. Oh. Next, what about division of fractions?
We should take reciprocal.
Yeah, let us see. If I write 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, then
We should take reciprocal of 1 by 2.
divided by 1 by 2, isn't it? We first of all, we cannot directly do it, but we know how to do multiplication. We know how to do multiplication here. So we'll convert this division into multiplication, okay? And how to do that? We'll keep the first term as 1 by 4, and the second term we'll take the reciprocal of the second term, isn't it?
2 by 2.
It will become 2 by 1. We'll convert the division into multiplication by taking the reciprocal version of the second term, isn't it? Why is the desk in front of you empty? Hema, Varshini is your best friend or what? Huh?
Sir, every day.
Every day?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you do? Every day, what do you do? Huh? 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 What happened to your voice? Huh? So, to convert division into multiplication, Gagan, we need to what? Convert division to multiplication. And how we do that? By taking the reciprocal of the second term or second fraction, isn't it? And now we can find 1 by 4 into 2 by 1.
2 1 4 to the
Yes, multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It will be 2 by 4.
2 by 4.
But can you reduce it further? Yes, because 2 and 4 have a common factor other than 1, which is 2. So if you divide both by 2, it will become
1 by 2 equals to 2.
1 by 2. Isn't it? The answer will be
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This is our division of fractions.
Yes, sir.
Also in division also, if you have mixed fractions, remember to convert it to improper first. Isn't it? Okay. Now we have LCM and HCF of fractions. We know how to find the HCF and LCM of two natural numbers.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll look at HCF and LCM of fractions. Now HCF of suppose three fractions. I take a fraction a by b. A fraction is written in the form a by b, isn't it? Some number by some number. Dheeraj, right? A by b. Then suppose I can take another one c by d. I can take another one e by f, isn't it? Hema? Isn't it? So what will be the HCF of these three numbers? It will actually be HCF of numerators.
LCM of denominators.
Yes, it will be HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators, isn't it? LCM of denominators. So basically, what are the numerators here? ACE and denominators are BDF. Yeah. And for LCM of the fractions, for LCM, exactly, it will be LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators, isn't it? ACA and this is BDF, right? How to remember this? If you have to find the HCF of numerators but LCM of denominator. LCM of numerator but HCF of denominator, isn't it? HCF and LCM of fractions.
Sir, side please. Sir, don't run, sir.
Quickly note it down.
Sir, don't sit. Sir, don't take this. Take the heavy. Sir, we can direct sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Come here. If one more time I see something falling from the first floor, yes, I'll throw this desk outside and you fall it without it. Remember this. Every day I see something falling out after every 5 minutes. Huh? Okay, should I erase the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm clearing the board now. Next. So, if you want to find HCF and LCM of fractions, you know the formula now?
Yes, sir.
So, quickly find the HCF of these three fractions. Find the HCF of 3 by 5, 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. Where's the copy? Quickly do it. Right. It is on the 6. How to do it? What is the formula? HCF of numerators, isn't it? HCF of HCF of numerators. What are the numerators here? Numerators are 3, 1 and 5. And what are the denominators here? LCM of denominator, right? What are the denominators? 5, 2 and 2. So what is the HCF of 3, 1 and 5? What is the HCF of 3, 1 and 5? 1, isn't it? 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, and we have 1. HCF of prime numbers is 1. And what is the LCM of 5, 2 and 2? Basically 5 and 2 only, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is the LCM? 5 and 2 are also prime numbers.
Yes, sir.
They are co-prime numbers or prime numbers. Their LCM is 5 into 2? 10. So your final HCF answer is 1 by 10, isn't it? Similarly, you can find the LCM of 3 numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Quickly note it down. Quickly note it down. Finished?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Who is saying 1 minute? Do you note it down? You don't have to note it down? You don't have a copy? You don't have a pen? You don't have a copy? Where is the copy? Where is the copy? In your head? Where is the copy? Where are you sketching your head? Where is the copy? Huh? Thinking about an excuse. Did you forget or did you not bring? Did you forget or did you not bring deliberately? Huh? You forgot. Or maybe you did not bring deliberately. What happened to your nose? Give him a page. You have a page?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Only one person can give.
Sir, I will.
Everybody is happy to share their copy, isn't it?
Sir, I will give.
Wait, he has already gone his page. Everybody wants to clear their pages. Nobody wants to study, isn't it? I'll just clear my copy and throw it down. Huh? Everybody likes to clear their copy. Okay. So, next we have comparison of fractions. Next we have comparison of fractions. How do you compare two fractions? Did I tell you to give it to someone? Is it yours? Then why did you touch it? How do you compare two fractions? Suppose we have 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay? How to compare these two fractions? We are doing from page number 20. Comparison of fractions. How to compare 2 by 3 and 3 by 4? Which is greater, which is smaller, or are they equal? How to compare them? We can compare them in two ways. First, what is the first way? Find the value in decimal. What is 2 by 3?
0.
Yeah, divide it 0.2. If you divide 2 by 3, what will be this? 0.20 will come. 3 6 are 18. 2. Again 20. What?
That is 2 by 5. Sir, no, sir.
Which 2 marks?
Sir, side please.
This is the classroom fighting. This is the boxing class, fighting class.
Where 1.66. Where 1.
It will be 0.666, isn't it?
Sir.
Do you know how to approximate?
Yes, sir. 0.
Can I get it 0.67? Anybody knows how to round off? Rounding off? She knows. Rounding off? Okay. How do we round off? See, it will be 0.6666 and so on, it will go on, isn't it? If I want to round it off to 2 decimal places, look at this third digit here. What? What? Does anyone want to say something? If we want to round it off to 2 decimal places, let us look at this third digit after this. If this digit is up to 4, less than or equal to 4, then we will keep this last digit as same. But if this digit is strictly greater than 4, means 5 and above, isn't it? Means 5 and above. If it is 5 and above, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we will change this 6, we will do it plus 1, okay? We will write the next digit. We will add 1 to this 6. Here it is 6. So here it is greater than 4, isn't it? So here we will write it 0.67. Okay? Clear everyone how to round off? So what is our 2 by 3 value? 0.67. Okay? And what is 3 by 4? Divide 3 by 4? 0.75, isn't it? So which is greater, 0.67 or 0.75?
0.677.
Is greater than 75. Which is greater, 0.67 or 0.75?
0.7.
First, look at these two whole number part. This is the whole number part, right? First, look at the whole number part. They are both equal. Then we will move to the decimal part. Which is greater, 6 or 7? So this number is greater. Okay. So what can I write? Since 7 is greater. Okay. So what can I write? 2 by 3 is less than 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3, isn't it? This is one way to compare your fractions. Here. This is one way to compare your fractions. Quickly note it down. Quickly. Quickly note it down. Where's the coffee? You also forgot coffee. Huh? Did I ask you? No. Who is in there? Mother or father? Mother. Huh? Okay?
Yes, sir.
I am clearing the board. Copy from your friends. Instead of talking with each other, if you keep on writing quickly, then you can finish it much before. You can finish it early, okay? Okay. Done? So this is one way to compare your fraction, isn't it? I'm raising the board now. Let us see the another way of comparing. What are fractions? 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, isn't it? We got here 2 by 3 less than 3 by 4. Let us see how another way of comparing them. How will we compare them? We will convert them both to like fractions. Dheeraj? We will compare them both to. How will we compare them? We'll make them both like fractions. What are like fractions? Denominators? Yes. Here, what are the denominators? They are different, isn't it? So, how to make this? Exactly. So, let us take the LCM of the denominators 3 and 4, which is 12, isn't it? Everybody knows how to find the LCM of 3 and 4? 3 and 4 are co-prime. Do you know what is co-prime? Co-prime numbers are numbers which have only common factor 1. Co-prime, not prime. Co-prime are numbers which have common factor only 1. What is the common factor between 3 and 4? Only the number 1 and nothing else, isn't it? So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? It is 3 into 4, isn't it? That is 12. Next, after we found the LCM, now make them. How do we do that? Denominator to make it 12? 3 into 4, isn't it? And numerator also into 4? 8 by 12? Similarly, how do you make this 12? 4 into 3? So numerator also you have to multiply with 3? 9 by 12, isn't it? So now which is greater, 8 by 12 or 9 by 12?
9 by 12.
How? Let us see. Now our denominators are equal, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we'll only look at numerator. Which numerator is big? 9 is big. So 9 is bigger than 8. So 9 by 12 is greater than 8 by 12.
8 by 12.
So what is 8 by 12? 2 by 3? It is less than 3 by 4. Which is 9 by 12. Okay. See, same answer. So these are the two ways of comparing of fractions, isn't it?
Yes, sir. This way is
Quickly note it down.
Yes, sir. Oh, sir. Sir, no, finish, sir. Sir, not, sir. Who is calling me?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Samarth. Hello, Samarth. Who is Samarth? I'm talking about online Samarth. Hello, Samarth. Can you hear me? I think you are new here, isn't it? Are you able to understand? What we are doing now? We are doing the chapter 3 fractions, isn't it? Are you able to understand how to compare two fractions? Okay. We'll be having our doubt session shortly. Okay, after 5 minutes. So this is how we compare two fractions.
Yes, sir.
If you have another fraction here,
Sir, we should take LCM. LCM we should do, sir.
if you have suppose another fraction 2 by 5 also.
We should do LCM.
Similarly, you can compare it either by dividing and finding it in decimal form,
Yes, sir.
like we did, or in this way finding the LCM, isn't it?
Sir, that is very different.
At that time, what will you do? At that time, what will you do?
That is very difficult.
You want me to throw this pen at you? Who wants me to throw this pen at them? Huh? Somebody wants me to throw this pen right in their eyes? Huh? No, right? This pen is used for writing, isn't it? Not for throwing. Okay, so what will you do? First, we'll find the LCM of the three denominators, isn't it? What will be the LCM of 3, 4, and 5? All of them are co-prime, isn't it? All of them are co-prime. Do they have any factor in common? No. All three have common factor only one. So the LCM will be all of them have common factor only one. So they are all co-primes. So their LCM will be 3 into 4 into 5, which is 60. Okay? And then you have to make them all like fractions, isn't it? You have to make them all like fractions. How? 2 by 3, you have to make it 60. How to make it 60? 60 divided by 3 will be 20. So multiply by 20. Numerator also multiply by 20. So you will get 40 by 60. For 3 by 4.
वो लोग साउंड नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है भाई पकड़ना एक मिनट से
साउंड सुनाई दे रहा है?
एक मिनट वो मेरे को नोट करना है
हाँ?
एक मिनट
साउंड सुनाई दे रहा है? मैं अभी ऑनलाइन बच्चे से बात कर रहा हूँ।
जूम मीटिंग मेरे को भी करना है
हाँ?
अरे मेरे को तो बोल रहे नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है वो कितना वो निकलना जूम मीटिंग का 841 डिस्कनेक्ट कीजिए ना
इससे पहले सब निकल जाएगा। एंड लीव करेंगे तो फॉलो है एंड मीटिंग सबके लिए करना पड़ेगा। कर दे?
मेरे को वो दिख एक बार वो दिखाता है ना वो
एवरीवन कैन यू हियर माय वॉइस?
वो यस बोल रहे हैं
थोड़ी देर पहले समझ बोल के लड़की के साथ बात की उन्होंने सुनाई दे रहा उधर पता है क्योंकि उनके कनेक्शन खराब हो गया
मेरे को बोल रहे हैं कि माइक लगाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं
हाँ?
कोई लोग बोल रहे हैं सुनाई दे रहा है कोई बोलता है नहीं दे रहा है लगा दिया सुनाई देगा
उधर चलते जाना पड़ता
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा बोल रहे हैं कौन बैलेंस कल क्या बोलते हैं
उनका नेटवर्क खराब है Okay, everyone? Can everyone hear my voice sitting at home? Can everyone sitting at home hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice properly?
Yes.
Okay.
यस बोल रहे हैं क्यों फिर वो लोग बोल रहे हैं नहीं सुनाई दे रहा
Yeah, we'll shortly begin our doubt session, okay? Just hold on for 2 minutes. We'll shortly begin our doubt sessions. Okay, so let us look at this. What happened? Where should I go? Okay, so So now we were comparing three fractions 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 2 by 5, right? We took the LCM of 3, 4 and 5. We took the LCM of 3, 4 and 5 and found that the LCM is what? 60, isn't it? The LCM is 60. After this, what did we do? What do you do? We are converting them all to like fractions, isn't it? So first one 2 by 3, convert to 60. So 3 into 20 gives you 60. Multiply 20 in the numerator also, 40 by 60. Next, convert this. 60 divided by 4 is what? 15, isn't it? So I have to multiply 4 with 15. And also in the numerator I have to multiply 15. And 2 by 5, right? And 2 by 5, how can I make it 60? 5 into 12? So 2 into 12, 24 by 60. Now see, if I want to arrange them all in ascending order, which is the smallest, 24 by 60? It is less than 40 by 60? It is less than 45 by 60? That is, what is 24 by 60 here? 2 by 5? It is less than, what is 40 by 60? 2 by 3? And less than 3 by 4. These are the fractions arranged in ascending order, isn't it? Who called me? So these are the fractions in ascending order, right? Any doubt in this? No. In the fraction chapter? No. What? Fighting? What?
That also makes it. That also makes it. That also
What 20 by 20? What did I write? What did you write or what did I write? What is 60 divided by 3? We have to make them all like fractions, isn't it? So we took the LCM of 3, 4 and 5 as 60. Then, like fractions means all of them should have the same denominator, isn't it? So here, to make this denominator 60, what do we have to multiply with 3? 60 divided by 3 is? 60 divided by 3 is?
28.
If you divide 60 by 3,
20.
you will get 20. 3 2s are 6. 0. Isn't it? 20. So we multiply 3 with 20. We also multiply the numerator with 20. This is how we make like fractions, isn't it? 40 by 60. Similarly here, 4 into 15 is 60. So we multiply numerator and denominator both by 15. Same is the case for this fraction also, 2 by 5. Okay? Okay. Okay?
Sir, side please. Sir, side please.
So, you had doubt from yesterday?
No, sir.
That question? Done. Then why did you say no, sir? Everyone, have you noted it down? Write it from your friends, okay? Write it from your friends. Okay. I'm erasing the board, write it from your friends. Okay. क्या हुआ?
उसको सुना नहीं दे रहा बोला
एक सेकंड मैं हाथ उठा के बैठते
लास्ट एक मिनट
एक सेकंड
हाँ पीछे
Tanmay, can you hear me? Tanmay, can you hear me properly? Tanmay, can you hear me properly? Tanmay, you can unmute and tell me, can you hear me properly?
दूसरे को पूछो एक दूसरे को पूछो
Manasvi, do you have a doubt now? Manasvi, you can unmute. Do you have a doubt? Comparison of fraction. Just now we did the topic comparison of fraction, isn't it, Manasvi? What did you not understand? What did you not understand? What did you not understand? Descending order. Manasvi, can you see on the screen just now the question we did? This one you are saying? Yeah, in this thing, first of all, just a second, Just a second. So first of all, what did you do in comparison of fractions? What did you do in comparison of fractions? First of all, since the denominators are not same, we'll be making them all like fractions, isn't it? We'll be making them all, just a second, we'll be making them all like fractions. So how to make them all like fractions? By making the denominators equal, right? So how to make the denominators equal? By taking the LCM. How to make the denominators equal? By taking the LCM, isn't it? So if you take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5, what do you get? Manasvi, if you take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5, what do you get? If you take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5, you get 60, isn't it? So after that, what did we do? We converted them to like fractions. How? We converted them to like fractions. How? We have to make this denominator 60, right? So we multiply the denominator 3 by 20, isn't it? And if you multiply the denominator by 20, we have to multiply the numerator also by 20. Isn't it? So it becomes 40 by 60. Similarly, we have to make this denominator 4 as 60. How to make it? What is 60 divided by 4? Manasvi? It is 15, isn't it? So we'll multiply 4 with 15, okay?
Sir.
And in numerator and denominator, we'll multiply both by 15. In numerator and denominator, we'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 15, okay? Then it becomes 45 by 60. Similarly, in this case, we'll make 560 how? 60 divided by 5 is 12. So we multiply numerator and denominator both by the number 12. Clear? Now, Manas, we see. Now all of these denominators are equal 60, 60, 60. So now you can compare them by comparing the numerators. In the numerator, which is the smallest numerator? 24. Honestly, which is the smallest numerator? 24. Out of 24, 40 and 45, the smallest is 24. So 24 by 60 will be the smallest fraction. Okay. Then 40 is the next bigger one. So 40 by 60 and then 45 by 60. Understood? After making the denominators equal, okay. After making the denominators equal, we have to compare the numerators. The smallest numerator will be the smallest fraction, okay? Okay. Next, we have a doubt from the class. Is it number 17? 17, right? We have a doubt from the class. It is from the entrance corner of chapter 2. It is chapter 2, entrance corner. Okay. Entrance corner. Page number 13. It is your question number 17. Okay. Question number 17. The value of 20.91 divided by 0.17 is. How to do this? First, we have to do division here, isn't it? We have to do division here. So first, what we'll do? We'll convert the decimal numbers into fractions. Right? How to do that? Can I write 20.91 as 20? Just a second. Can I write 20.91 as 2091 by 100? Two decimal places, so divided by 2 zeros, isn't it? Divided by, this will be 17 by 100. Two decimal places, so 2 zeros, isn't it? Next, what is your name? Manvit. Is it okay? Now, just now we did division of fractions.
Yes, sir.
The second term, if you convert this division to multiplication, second term will be reciprocal, isn't it? We have to take the reciprocal of the second term. Now, here we can cancel 100, isn't it? Do you know how to cancel?
Yes, sir.
Finding the common factor. Here 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100, isn't it? We can do that. Everybody knows that? And 17 and 2091 also, can you cancel? Yes, try it. 17 is the prime number. 17 ones are 17. 17 ones are 17. 39. What? 2. 34, 51, 123. The answer is 123. Clear? What is the answer?
123.
Manvit, clear?
Yes, sir.
It is your book. Now, anybody else sitting at home has any doubt? Let's see. Yes, Madhu, you can unmute and ask me what doubt you have. Madhu, what is your doubt? Madhu, what is your doubt? Madhu? Yeah, Madhu, what doubt do you have? Division of fraction. Just now we did this division of fraction, Madhu, didn't we? See this example, Madhu? Madhu, see this example. You have division of these two fractions. Madhu, look at this example. We have division of two fractions, isn't it? This fraction 2091 by 100 divided by 17 by 100. Okay. So how do you divide two fractions? You have to convert the division into multiplication. Okay. And after converting that, you have to write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 17 by 100?
100 by 13.
Madhu, what is the reciprocal of 17 by 100? Madhu, respond please. What is the reciprocal of 17 by 100? Madhu? Madhu, unmute your mic. What is 17 by 100? Reciprocal? 100 by 17? Yeah, hello, Madhu? Hello? So what is the reciprocal of 17 by 100? 100 by 17? Madhu? 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 So what is the reciprocal of 17 by 100? 100 by 17? Now when you multiply these two fractions, what do you do? We can cancel 100 and 100 here. Isn't it? 100 was 100, 100 was 100. And we can also cancel this below 17 with this 2091, okay? Because if you divide 2091 by 17, you will get 123. Okay? So this is equal to 123. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fraction chapter?
Yes, sir.
You have doubt? You have a doubt? You have a question doubt? What more? So that time you want to ask a question, no?
I got it.
Okay, tomorrow we'll do it. Okay then, that will be all for today. Bye. Okay, that will be all for today. Goodbye everyone.